In this video, I will demonstrate how to view instructor feedback on assessments in Blackboard. Your instructor may provide feedback on your attempts along with your grade. From within your course, select the Gradebook tab. You will notice a results column to the right of the grade pill. If your instructor has left feedback, it can be accessed by clicking the View button. Please note that the information available in the results view is dependent upon the settings selected by your instructor. In this example, the student can view their final grade near the upper left of the screen, their submitted content below the final grade, and they can access feedback on the right-hand side of the screen. Again, this may differ depending on the type of assessment and the settings selected by the instructor. If the instructor did not leave feedback on the assignment, this section will be blank. Feedback can also be reached from the course content page by selecting the item and then clicking either Your Grade or View Submission. This concludes this video demonstration.